Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at page 9 of Best in Class, number 25, warm-up. You have the fermata, and then the warm-up, and then after that one, they show us the repeat sign for 26 through the rest of the page. So here's part A. And here's B. Should point out that there are slurs in here. I'm surprised there's nothing at the top of the page explaining what those are. So to, and then you move the slide and go to a do tongue. And that's the best way to explain it for this part of the book. Here's B again. 2, 3. And on to 26. Half notes and half rests. And one whole note at the very end. Okay, repeat. Nice coughing in there. O come, little children. All right, and on to number 28. Start today. Also with the repeat sign at the end, so we play it twice. 2, 3. All right, so we're on page 9, and this is Follow That Man, number 29, and it is a duet. 1, 2, 3. Here's part B. Here's part
One,
B.
2, 3.
All right, so page 9, and this is French song. All right, number 31 is a spelling game. So it shows the letters PR, and then there's the A, pitch A to C, and then it says TI, then C to E, although I would expect to be E flat since we haven't talked about E naturals yet. But that's one that can be done on its own. And this is something special. So this is just after 31, and it's 4 trombones only. 2, 3. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.